There is no path to happiness. Happiness is the path. Believe nothing, no matter where you read it or who said it, no matter if I have said it, unless it agrees with your own reason and your own common sense. Work out your own salvation, do not depend on others. Nothing can harm you as much as your own thoughts unguarded. You will not be punished for your anger. You will be punished by your anger. Your purpose in life is to find your purpose and give your whole heart and soul to it. There are no secrets to success. It is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure. Every human being is the author of his own health or disease. Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. No matter how much you stress or obsess about the past or future, you can't change either one. In the present is where your power lies. Talking about our problems is our greatest addition. Break the habit, talk about your joys. If you don't care about what people think, you already passed the first step of success. Satisfied life is better than successful life because our success is measured by others, but our satisfaction is measured by our own soul, mind, and heart. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take the moment and make it perfect. Strength does not come from winning. Your struggles develop your strengths. When you go through hardships and decide not to surrender, that is strength. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. When people throw stones at you, convert them into milestones. Umbrella can't stop the rain but can make us stand in rain. Confidence may not bring success but gives us power to face any challenge in life. So be confident. Don't be jealous with anyone. Just focus on becoming the best version of yourself. Don't compete with anyone. Every successful person has a painful story. Every painful story has a successful ending. Accept the pain and get ready for success.